Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW and my name is Jeff. So today we got a special guest stopping by. Amrit from Drip Detailing is going to come by. We made him a custom banner for his Honda Ridgeline. So he's going to come by today. We're going to throw it on. It's a little bit chilly, 4 degrees. So we're going to see how it plays out, try it, test it. But hopefully we can get it on. The banner looks super sick. Between me and him, we kind of collabed and got it put together on what he liked. He really liked my banner and the styling, so we kind of did something a little bit close to that. But we're just gonna wait for him to show up, and we'll get him parked and we'll get the banner put on. Keep watching, and I'll show you what the end results are. Here we go. Well, satisfied customer, Drip Detailing. Go check them out on Instagram. I'll link their information below. Super stellar guy. He's gonna detail the car, give it a really good clean before we start putting graphics back on. So thanks, dude. It's good catching up with you. And the banner looks awesome, super vibrant. And yeah, they're super happy. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, see what other things we're gonna get up to, and peace.